Okay, so in the previous video, we talked about the GANs, right? Where you had the generator and discriminator. And there I actually told you that one of the use case of a GAN is a deepfake video. Now you might ask, but what is a deepfake video? So a deepfake video is nothing but it is a type of artificial intelligence which is used to create convincing images, audio, and video hoaxes. So the term describes both the technology and the resulting bogus content. So it's not the real content. That's why we call it deepfake. And you are using machine learning, deep learning, hence the word comes as deep fake, right? So let's take a quick look at a video which was, I should say a deepfake video, which was created by an AI developer for Tom Cruise. I believe everybody really knows who Tom Cruise is. So here you go.
So Tom, your company became prominent on the internet with the release of a fake Tom Cruise video, Deep Tom Cruise, that I think attracted like 1 billion views on TikTok and Instagram, which leads me to my first question, which is please, can we, at TED, have our own Tom Cruise video, please?
I thought you might ask. So a little earlier, we had a crack. Maybe we'll have a look.
Let's have a look.
What's up, Internet? I'm north of the border, eh? At the TED conference. It's not short for Theodore, but nobody calls me Thomas, so it's cool. It's Tom at TED. Yes, Canada. Seriously though, everybody here, very nice, very polite. Especially the whales.
Okay, so that was actually a perfect example of a deepfake video. So the deepfake videos are actually created in one of the two ways. They can use an original video source of the target where the person is made to say and do things they never did. Or they can even swap the person's face onto a video of another individual, which is also known as a face swap. So I think with this, we've got a very good understanding of what is a deepfake video. Thanks for watching.